Hey peeps, today is September the 5th, Friday. Fabulous Friday. Thank God it's Friday, TGIL. At almost 12 noon, 11:56. So, current situation, say to the peace back. I ain't show y'all his September gift. Look at my grandson, y'all. This baby acne getting better. So much better.
I see that.
We was just putting breast milk on it.
Yeah.
Yep. So he with me for a little while, y'all. That's his little situation. I gotta organize that. But this one I'm getting ready to do. This one I'm getting ready to do. I'm getting ready to make my parfaits. Ooh. Yogurt. And my cups. Of the tops. I got all this off Amazon. It was a set. And then this one I put some either the I gotta go upload my video. I put graham crackers in here or butter cookies. And so here go the graham crackers. And here go the butter cookies. These are harder. I still got some left, but this should be enough. I still got some graham crackers left on top of the refrigerator. And these is my creams. I'm gonna use. I might, if I remember, get I like the white chocolate one too. And the caramel one. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to put that up. This is why Emma doing my hair. I don't know if I Emma showing it out. He gonna keep moving. He don't like nothing on him. He don't like nothing. Socks, nothing. But I'll show it to y'all when I finish. I like to put like the bananas again. I add when I'm getting ready to eat it actually, because the bananas, they get mushy by the time I get to some of them. I just cut the banana up and stir it up in there, because I do stir it around when I'm getting ready to eat it and mix everything up. But when I first do it, I layer it either with both graham crackers and butter cookies, or graham. All of them be different. I be trying to make them all different though. So yeah. All right, peeps. I'll keep y'all in the loop. Peace. Okay, peeps. It's 12:23, and he's still asleep. He knocked out. Did you throw up? Oh no. Spit up. That's my baby Davi, y'all. That's my baby Davi. I finished my parfaits. I just got through. And so, here they go. They sell these. They got a lot of different flavors. They got mango. So I'm going to order some more just to have options. Yeah. So, yeah, pineapple puree. They are really good. Like, they give me that infused strawberry puree. That sweet tooth kit. Yeah. Because I sure have a sweet tooth. I always had one. So, this is them. All of them different. I got 9. So, 2 tubs made 9. And good healthy sides and stuff. So, what we're getting ready to do is put them in the refrigerator. I gotta make me a smoothie. Let's see. This was the last one. I used all my. I got the graham crackers and butter cookies in this little thing right here. Because that was the last one. And I used up all my stuff because I feel like I need to put them low, because I'm going to have to take my juice out to make me a smoothie. But yeah, somebody messaging me, probably child number 8. So yeah, I'm gonna eat one today. Let me see. Trying to figure it out, y'all. All right. Can I get to? Oh, I got coconut on this one at the top. Y'all see that syrup? That's that coconut. There's 2 more to go. A strawberry though. I'll put it up there. I'm gonna have to move them around though. But it's cool. At least they could be in the refrigerator for now. I'm just sit it right there until I have to move. Yeah, I'm not comfortable with you sitting right there. Yeah. Because these cups ain't the sturdiest cups. So there they is in all their glory. Yeah, I got that done. So, these, I just put them back in. It don't say refrigerate after opening. I do it. I remember really reading it to see when I first got them. And they expire in 2027. Yeah, they expire in 2027. So I'm just putting them right back up in here. And it's a lot be in here. And I don't use a lot. So I still got a lot left. But again, to have options, they sell them single too. I don't want to turn it upside this way because, I don't want it to be running down. So I just keep it sitting this way. So yeah. Oh, I gotta take for some rice. Oh, and I got Spanish rice. I'm gonna make some of my turkey burgers. I'm eating turkey burgers today. I think I'm gonna make that. Yeah, I gotta look into the ingredients because I'm supposed to make this Sunday. We'll see. I gotta take for some rice. I go good with some ground turkey though. All right, peeps, I got her done. I got more stuff to knock off my list. I need to clean my doors. I need to clean my air conditioner filters. It's like 3 I gotta clean. And I gotta clean my bedroom door, maybe the front door, the back door, and the basement door. 4 white doors. One task at a time. All right, y'all already know. I'll see you when I see you. Peace. Hey, Shan, I redid my mailbox. So I spray painted this today, the thank you. And I painted these letters black. And I just redid this. So I cleaned it, took it in the house. And yeah, I put the leaf on there. Put this on there. This like my phone case stuff, the Barbie, the bows. I changed the stickers out. Changed that out. I kept this one because I like blessed and black. But I redid all of this. The thank you. The little hearts. I painted that. It's like the same material as this. This is kind of like, I could show you what it had looked at first, but this the color it was actually. But I painted that. I hand painted this. Be safe. Thank you. And these like little leaves. How you like it? 1 through 10. Let's go back. I just put it out. Just finished it. All right, let me get back in the house. And I'm gonna redo this like in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna put my fall stuff out. So let me show you, cause I'm gonna put stuff up. Yeah, I had to clean it. I was like, let me go ahead and redecorate.
Literally, boarding schools are where
My
Indians went to die.
So this how they looked it. And I painted it black. You still see some of them. That, and it's the love. And the thank you letters was this color too, but they wood. So I'm gonna take this downstairs. And I just was using my double-sided sticker. This is some really good stuff. That's what I use for everything. Yeah, you know me some brown crackers. I'm gonna fix a meatloaf tomorrow. My cabbage recipe. I cleaned my filters. I cleaned all my doors. I cleaned 4 doors. My white doors. I cleaned the basement, back door, basement. Mine was real dirty. So I got my meatloaf pan up, my biscuit pan, because I'm going to make these, which I think I showed you these. But I'm going to make these tomorrow and some cabbage and meatloaf. That's going to be it, Baba Sharns. Let me see the ingredients. What I need. Preheat oven for 25. Spray, stir, scoop, bake. I need 3/4 cup of cold water. Seems pretty simple, Say, hey, TT. Hey, I woke. I go rain and cereal. There you go. Hey. You little handsome self. Oh, he turned his head. He see him turn his head. He can follow your voice now. He gaining weight too. He getting a little heavy. He got a whole double chin. You see his double chin? He got a whole double chin. I'm trying to show you his double chin. You see that? Double chin in full effect. Hey, grandson. Hey, grandson. Hey, my little handsome grandson. He is funny. I'm like, oh, you thinking about when you get off work? That's the time he get off work. Yeah. I'm like, that number must be stuck in his head. Say, hey. You like my phone? You like all the little stuff I got on my phone? Cause you staring at my phone. We ain't looking at my stuff on my phone. Yeah. He could see it. He paying attention to it. Let's come over here and look. This way. Look how he looking at my phone. Okay.
He is.
He looking at my.
What is that?
He looking at my phone. You can see. See? He moved his eyes when I moved it.
Oh yeah.
He liked them colors. Wow.
Look at me.
He ain't even thinking about me. He like these little peoples.
Look at me.
You're like my mailbox then, grandson.
Look at me. Hi.
All right, baby Shan, I gotta go cook. Here, Rain. You done? I need to really start and get my stuff going. Cause I'm on the time thingy thing. So I'm finna get ready to do my turkey meatloaf, then my cabbage. I got everything prepped, and then my biscuits. They fell back there. But I'm finna go in the basement and get my turkey. Ground turkey and stuff. Everyone put her stuff over here with my stuff. It's gonna get messed up over here. This is not the place for her pumpy pumps. So I got my balloon, got my meatloaf, got the honey butter, red lobster biscuits, and my cabbage with the sausages. I fry these separate, then put it over there with my cabbage, and I put some more honey on my biscuits.
Welcome back. How's it feel to be home?
It's Hassie. All right. Bon appetit. Love you. Got her done.
Patrick got echo this passing.
Hey, Shan. I made it back home. Moody is so exhausted. We had to put rain dresser together. Oh, my God. But it's done now. But I got my Shein order. T-shirts. And this is my August gift that I bought me. Well, September gift. I got a black one like this, but I don't have no denim hat and go with my denim jacket. And so sometimes I just trim these if they be too long in my face. But this how this hat looks. There you go, my denim jacket. And these like the t-shirts I got. This colors. Pink. Yeah, pink. I got that color green. I got another white one. I could always use a lot of whites. And I got that color, like a lavender color. See? That's cutesy. So I got these four. And so I had rearranged my my drawers so I could get my t-shirts. I had threw away a lot of my other ones. But these are the colors I have now. I'm gonna have to go in here and like kind of refold them. I haven't really did that yet in this drawer. So these the colors. Like these two is different colors of pink. And I don't want some, but these are my colors. That's black. And and this one. It's pretty colors. And then I got these. And I got one on. I think I'm what two now. But I got these smaller. This one, all the other ones is 2X. I got these 1X. Because I'm like, I can do a 1X. The rest on 2Xs. But I'm going to take my time and just, like, refold them. But this good for now. Yep. All my t-shirts.